The town of Hugo declared a local emergency after finding THC in the drinking water. THC is the active ingredient in marijuana.
Investigators say Hugo's water supply may be unsafe for drinking or cooking. Hugo is a Lincoln County town of about 720 people. It's roughly 90 miles east of Colorado Springs and 15 miles southeast of Lyman. KRDO News Channel 13's Bonnie Silkman was in Hugo all day.
Yeah, she joins us live in studio now. And Bonnie, a lot of confusion still about how this could have happened.
Many unanswered questions, James. And while we wait for the FBI and the CBI to investigate what is in the water, the community is collecting bottled water by the thousands so everyone can be at ease.
We're picking up water for our family and then a water for my grandma.
Hundreds in Hugo are doing the same after a red alert warning people to not drink their own water.
There's a lot of people mad because they can't take showers because they're afraid of what it will do, you know.
Experts say it's not possible, but yet field test results show THC is in Hugo's public water supply.
We don't disagree with the science. THC is not soluble in water. However, we have tests endorsed by a chemistry company and a manufacturing company that says, be that as it may, you now have a result saying that there's THC in tap water poured out of a faucet. And it could be a chemical composition that mimics a false positive for THC. We just don't know yet.
Many are picking up water as a precaution, but not taking it too seriously.
Last night we were just having a big joke about it, like, oh, well, just to get high, all I have to do is drink a glass of water, that kind of thing.
If I wanted to get high, I'd just go drink some of their water. I don't know why they're complaining. Just drink more water. And the town of Hugo has never been so hydrated.
People are still arriving to pick up water bottles. So far, 3,000 have been distributed, and there's plenty more where that came from. We're looking at about 8,000 water bottles here, ready to go.
Is it capable of even being within the water? And the answer to that right now is we really don't know.
I don't know anybody from this town that would do that intentionally to hurt other people necessarily.
Meanwhile, signs of a break-in and tampering at this local water well. It's the most accessible well in town. Now, by the way, we want to mention this investigation first began after a routine employee drug test that unexpectedly came back positive for THC. So in an effort to show what a pure test result actually looks like, they went ahead and tested a vial of their local water supply. And to everyone's surprise, that did not come back as a negative result. They came back as positive testing for THC. So
and
a lot of
puzzling
confusion.
here.
Everything we're hearing is THC is not water soluble, which means kind of like oil.
Correct.
It wouldn't mix in with the water. So how does this happen?
Yeah, it's really confusing because they're saying, you can't spike water with THC, but then the tests show that THC is in the water.
Present.
So
Mystery
very
continues.
confusing.
Yeah,
We'll, of
very
course, keep you
confusing.
updated.
More to come.
And they have tested it multiple times,
Absolutely.
too. So it's not just one test sample that came back
and
positive
these
for
are
that.
field tests, and now that is why the FBI and CBI are taking over. They're conducting those tests right now.
More to come on that.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Bonnie,
Thanks.
thanks. Well, it is Friday, and